from New Delhi and the founder of Shreya Ahuja Art. And today I'm just going to be sharing some tips with you guys on how you can market your art. So what you really need to understand is that you as an artist and your artwork are essentially a brand. It's a business. The moment you start treating yourself and your art pieces as a brand, you will take it more seriously, and marketing is the most crucial aspect of it. The first tip would be that use the power of social media. Just be out there and post whatever artworks you're doing, because the recent culture, and especially during this lockdown, it's all gone very digital, and to utilize the digital media in a way to empower your art and empower you as an artist is very crucial. Few years there has been a shift from gallery owners, exhibitions and curators. It's all shifted to the artist. So the artist gets the power and gets the upliftment to market their art themselves, and it's very easy to do that with the social media platforms that are available these days. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, these are great tools to market your art. Using the tools the social media platforms offer, you can put out so much there, and people can get to know you as an artist, which is something that wasn't there years ago. People would just go to a gallery or an exhibition and see the artwork and want to know who the artist is. But things have changed. Now people know the artist and want to see the artwork. So the shift has been very interesting, and what that does is enables the artist to put out very personal content as well, which is related to their art, and explain their story and explain the process. So for example, I on my social media put out lots of work in progress work. I do put the final pieces as well, but I feel as an artist it's my duty to tell the story or tell the inspiration behind what that art piece is. So I do make sure to put out lots of these behind the scenes, work in progress, tutorials out there on my social media, so that it engages with the people. So when you're using social media as a tool to market your art, you will get a lot of inquiries. People will ask about your paintings or give you orders for commissions. So when you're engaging with lots of people and there's lots of traffic on your website or your social media platforms, there is a higher chance to get more sales. I still remember my first painting was sold through Instagram, and I till date get inquiries on Instagram. It's very important to engage with your audience and your clients. So with your audience, be it your friends or family, always share your artwork and get a feedback. Tell them what was the inspiration behind your artwork and understand what is the feedback. Understand how is your art being perceived. And for the clientele, you should always have a list of emails which you will be sending out your recent artworks, and send out some of the recent work you've done. You never know where that artwork is appreciated and where it takes you. It's important to put yourself out there, to be recognized, to be known, because there are so many artists and we have so many renowned artists in our country. So for a beginner, sometimes it can be very challenging to be out there and to get recognized and known for their artwork. If you have a particular style of artworks, if you have a particular style of painting and a different type of technique you're using, or a medium or a surface that you're using which is very unique, or something which is like a trademark of you as an artist, be sure to put out a lot of that content, because then people will relate to you when they see that artwork. A lot of these renowned artists have art pieces which when you look at them, you know that okay, this is a Raza painting or this is an M.F. Hussain, and that is the beauty of it, that those artists have established themselves over the years in a way that their paintings speak for themselves. As artists, we all are very attached to our paintings and artworks, and we can't choose a favorite one, but it's very important to know what artworks are selling and who is your target audience. Is your target audience a business tycoon? Is it an art investor? Is it an interior designer? Is it a homeowner? You need to know where your artwork is selling and where it's working, because you need to see that what artworks people are actually buying and what artworks are not resulting into sales. Having said that, I do not mean that sales are everything, but it's very important to know your target audience. As artists, patience is the only key. You need to be a little patient. There is no hurry, there is no race to reach at a point. everything takes time, and to establish your name or to establish you as a brand and your artworks, it takes time. It takes years even for artists to establish themselves. So it's very important to be patient and wait for something to actually work out. Next tip would be to really network. As an artist, it's very important to do networking, whether it's with other artists, with curators, gallery owners, people who set up art festivals. It's really important to network with people, get to know them, get to know their art journeys, and be inspired by it and sort of collaborate. Collaboration is the future. Last but not the least, I'm going to share the most effective marketing technique for artists. You make a painting and it's up in your client's house, and someone visits and loves your painting. There is a chance that with every painting you sell, at least 15 to 20 people are going to inquire about your art, and through word of mouth, which is the most organic form of marketing, you're going to get more inquiries and get recognized for your artwork and for yourself as an artist. So be it a friend publicizing about you, or a family member, or just lots of people who love your art just sharing your artwork. If the price point is at a good range, there is a higher chance that it will sell. Another tip would be to maybe be open to the idea of selling your artwork as prints, and maybe at a smaller size. So it's basically reproducing your artwork and selling the same art piece on a print, on a canvas or anything. This helps you to sell the same artwork reproduced many times, and not just one canvas and it's done. So I hope some of these tips were useful for you artists who are starting out. Be assured, if you're creating some good artwork and you're creating great paintings, it will work out at some point and it will sell. But these tips are just something that will amplify the whole thing and act as a catalyst to speed up the whole process. So all the best and see you guys.